T10 off traffic.
T10, go on.
Taking the curve on Orangeburg. He's taking off from me. I'm not going to pursue. He's going to be coming up to Briggsmore.
Hey, I'll be back coming up to Briggsmore, not in pursuit.
It either went through the red light continuing eastbound or it went into the Food for Less parking lot.
Hey, copy. Either continued eastbound or went in the Food for Less parking lot.
You got it. He is eastbound Briggsmore through Carver.
Hey, copy. Eastbound Briggsmore through Carver.
Modesto T10. Wants are going to be 2800. I'm going to just trail them what they are calling.
Copy, 2800.
He's taking off now, higher rate of speed through Sunrise.
Copy, higher rate of speed through Sunrise. Okay, copy, Lakewood. 613, 1039
Southbound Lakewood from Briggsmore.
Copy, southbound Lakewood from Briggsmore.
Coming up to Orangeburg, southbound. Now he's going to go eastbound Orangeburg. Eastbound Orangeburg from Lakewood.
Okay, copy, eastbound Orangeburg.
And he's going to pull over here, Orangeburg, just east of Centario into an address. Let me get you an address here in a second. 3100 East Orangeburg. Just pulled up into the driveway, dismounting the bike.
Okay, copy, 3100 East Orangeburg, dismounting bike.
And walked into the door, 3100 Orangeburg.
Stay wide on it in case he pops out.
Yeah.
Okay, we're walking to the door, 3100 Orangeburg.
Let's go ahead and get a perimeter set up around this this house.
White Modesto.
Looks like we got contact at the front door, one at gunpoint, facing the house.
Put your hands up. Turn around, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Get on your ground. Hands on your head. No! Hands on your head. Get down on your knees. Down on your knees, hands on your head.
Why are you jamming me up, dude?
Put your hands on your head. You're not going back inside that house.
Okay,
Both hands on your head right now.
Okay, dude, why are you fucking with me, man? What are you doing this to me for? Like,
Because you're not going back in that house.
okay, then I'm not going back in the house. That's fine. Why am I under arrest? Why are you guys
You're being
Okay.
detained right now. Because no one's going back in that house right now.
Okay, that's cool.
Turn right side. I'm have you stand up, okay?
Anyone else inside?
Good? That's good. Over.
Attention anyone inside 3100 East Orangeburg. This is the Modesto Police Department. We have a search warrant for the residence. You must make yourself known now and surrender to officers at the front of the residence. If you do not, you will be subject to arrest for 148 of the Penal Code. This is the Modesto Police Department. We know you're inside. We will be searching this house with this search warrant, but we'd like you to surrender peacefully.
Attention anyone inside 3100 East Orangeburg. This is the Modesto Police Department with the search warrant. Come to the door now. If anyone is remaining inside the basement, make yourself known now. We will be searching the basement with the canine. If the canine finds you, you will be dead.
Contact at the front door. Come on out, miss. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. All right, face away from us. All right, keep coming back. All right, put your arms.
Harley's a male, right?
Female.
Harley, again, this is the Modesto Police Department. We have already been here for over an hour. You have had more than enough time to come out to talk to officers. This will be your last opportunity before you will be placed under arrest. Come to the door now.
Contact, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Put the dog on the ground. Put your hands up.
Sure.
After driving guys,
Walk
contact
out
with more
towards
female.
Keep coming.
Covering contact with
Keep
more
coming. Keep coming.
Go ahead and just walk right down between these two cars, okay? Just keep your hands up, come right between the two cars.
Keep coming,
Just leave
miss.
the dog get the dog.
Keep coming. Okay, keep coming. Just turn around, please. Turn around, turn around. Put your hands on your back.
Is there anybody else inside of it?
Put your hands. Is there anyone else inside?
Stop right there.
Stop.
Turn around.
Back down.
Back up.
Throw your hands on my
Between the two cars.
After contact with a male now.
Keep going. Keep coming back. Keep coming back.
Keep
We got
coming.
you. Hey, we won't let you run into anything. Just keep coming back.
Keep coming.
slowly, all
Keep
right?
coming. Keep coming.
All right. You're gonna stop right there. Yes, sir. You're just being detained for this search warrant. Okay. Thank you for coming out. Do you know of anybody else that's inside right now?
She came out.
Okay. Yeah.
Keep coming back.
Yeah. Harley Dow. Was there anybody else inside?
Weber, no?
Ward, one person, number.
Modesto Police Department, if anyone else is inside, come to the door now and make yourself known.
That does not work. I can't get to the window.
All right, small little closet that can be bypassed. Someone just need to back check it, and then it opens up left into a large room. Right. Okay. We're gonna flood that large room. I will be the last man. I'll deal with that closet. You agree with that? Yep. Flooding in a large room, and then pick up your angles and go from there. Got it. On your right.
They're up behind. Davey, switching spots.
That open to a bedroom further right. That'll seem to
Yes.
Left opens up to the backyard.
Is there anybody left in here?
There's an open door right. That door probably comes around to that, whatever that room is.
Just hold on that for a second.
You want me to breach it or leave it closed?
No, just leave it closed.
All right.
Yeah, putting up the kid check 20, please, 44.
I don't think it's fake.
Clear. No, that's not.
Mike, you breach and hold on that door.
And that mattress is gonna get in the way.
Like
Small
smoke in
little
there?
pocket door to the right.
You take it with 3?
Oh yeah,
Alright,
it's gonna be slow.
your team.
I'm gonna pick that door up and Davey's will go through the left.
Wait, shots fired.
Hand down!
Mikey's clear. I need someone to pick up that.
I'm gonna pick that door up and then Davies will go with you to the left.
Okay. Shots fired.
Hand down! Hand down!
Give me pressure. Give me pressure.
Yep.
Give me pressure.
Hang on. Hang on.
Right here.
got you, buddy. I got you, buddy.
Harder.
Okay.
This suspect down. We don't know.
I need one for Mikey. He's shot in the stomach.
Get us a shield in here. Bump up. Hey, you back.
Hey, 1141. Turn around.
All right. Someone glove up. Glove up. Glove up.
Get Mikey out. Get Mikey
Go
out.
with Mikey. Go with Mikey.
Two of us will hold this guy. Do not drop those hands.
Keep your hands up. Hey, here.
Hey, we are excellent.
Hey, kill your radio. Turn it down.
Do not move. Hey, hold him.
Yep. Yes, move. You're clear to move.
You want me to help them?
Rivera, leave him for now. We're not going forward with them.
They have enough.
Just go with them. Me and Ward will hold. Hey, keep your hands up. Wait, is it two more in the house? Go next door. We need officer ready for a load and go.
Come on, Mikey. Come on, Mikey. Moving.
Keep your hands up, bro. Don't put them down.
We'll go to Memorial.
Sorry, Will. Hey, cut.
You're good. You're good.
There, Bubba. There.
Where'd you get?
You guys got that?
More guys in the house. Yeah.
Hold on. Come on, hold on. Come on, Mikey.
Hey.
Hold on, listen.
Are you hot? Are you up?
In between his legs.
Yep.
Okay. In between his legs, face the other way.
Reload if you want. Hey, keep your hands up. If your hands go down for any reason, where's the gun at?
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
I don't want your hands going near that gun.
I'll be up. 3. Go. Not too fast, not too fast. Stop. Go.
Be mindful. There's a basement. It hasn't been cleared. We're clearing the hard corner. You hear me? If you need to rest your hands, you can rest them on top of your head. That's the best you're going to get. Do you understand me?
Order, come in.
Yep. Make sure we're good over there. We're good here.
Just make sure you move for the vehicle that's going out with the officer.
Evelyn, do you want us up with you?
We're going to need more bodies in here.
Yeah.
After they're good with Mikey,
Once
we'll...
Mikey's good, then you can bump up. Everything else has been cleared, right?
Negative. There might be a basement or attic that has not been cleared.
That hard corner behind you has been cleared up. On that way.
So we're going to be clear.
Hey, who do I got coming up behind me?
You have Brandon and a trainee.
Hey,
Sir, keep your hands up. Okay.
Ward, are you gloved up?
No, you only have one guy gloved up. We're going to hold where we're at.
We got an ambulance out there for you. Okay. Just keep your hands up.
Division on scene. Next unit in, I want Lakewood shut down. Lakewood shut down at Orangeburg. I need a unit to shut down Orangeburg to the east. Transport in progress. 15S. 15S. Transport in progress. Notify Memorial.
Sir, is there anyone else inside this house? Just you.
What's your name? Jesse what?
Hey, besides the wounds on your arms, are you hit anywhere else? Huh? Okay, where? Huh, in the chest?
Sides.
And the thighs?
Sides.
Sides? Okay, keep your hands up. Keep talking to us.
The only thing that has not been cleared is the attic in the basement.
Where is the
There's
weapon?
An opening right there.
Okay, do not reach for it. Do you understand? Okay? Do not reach for it, okay? Alright?
I got gloves.
Okay, I got gloves too.
You guys were going to work with, okay? Here's what we're going to do. Hold on. Stand by. We're ready to board. We're listening.
Hey, hey, I need it quiet. We're making contact.
Hey, they need quiet.
Okay, what do you want?
When we are ready, we will be lethal cover. You two are going to go hands-on.
Okay.
We are going over the top to get his ass. We are not letting him go back to that gun.
Copy.
If he goes forward, he's going to get shot.
Do you understand that? Sir, if you reach for that weapon, we will shoot you. I do not want to have to do that, okay?
Hold on. Okay. Hey, stand by. Stand by. Hey,
Just keep your hands up.
hold on. Slow it down. Your hands on.
Copy.
Holster up. We got you lethal cover.
Copy.
I got gloves. Where's that? Where's the...
Don't worry about the gun. Get him first.
Can you stand up?
You're going to have to, dude.
Stand up. I know it's going to hurt. Stand up.
I got it. I got it. Let's see.
I got you.
Oh, there you go. Put on the bed.
There's a slide on the bed somewhere here, so make sure your hands are good.
Okay.
Let that up. Hold that side.
I got him. There we go. Hey, sit up straight from you, dude.
Come on.
Nice and easy. Here, I got it.
Someone pat him down with gloves.
Or we got him. You stay. Hold this crime scene.
Hard corner. Check that hard corner.
You guys, I want to check you guys.
Absolutely. Hard corner. Check that hard corner.
We got you. We're loading them.
Load him. Okay, let's go. 1, 2.
Up.
1, 2, 3. There we go.
Okay.
Mike, you okay?
We got you. Okay, I can't get in with
Yep.
you. Let
John, you're good? Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Yep. Back up, back up, back up. I got this leg.
Come on, brother.
You're good.
Rokaitis. You're good, buddy.
Can you guys get over there?
Get him. Get him back. Hey, we're good.
Watch out. We're going to pull.
Hey, watch his belt.
You're going with him. You're good, buddy. Are you sure? No, hold on. Stop. Go forward. Go more. Go. Right there.
Let me in there with
Go in there.
Let me in there with
I'll go.
There's someone in there. Okay, there's someone in there.